Are you looking for the perfect solution to keep your private memories and sensitive content safe from prying eyes? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Best Apps for. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about your privacy and security. Hide your photos, apps, and videos, so let's get started. Open your Google Play Store, type HIDEU calculator and press search button. Remember this app's logo because in the search result you will find so many apps like this. Now install this apps. We are waiting for installing. OK, install complete. Now open the apps. Now press agree and continue button. Tap to grant button to give access to your phone's data. Now a pop-up will open like this. Here you have to set a password of 4 characters. Remember, always press equal button after you 4 characters password. Retype the password once more. Finally we comes up. Now I will show how to hide apps. I will hide these apps. Go to calculator. Type your password and tap equal button. Now tap on hide apps. Tap on add. Select the apps you want to hide. I recommend not to hide your most sensitive data here, because there is a chance to leak your data from this types of apps. Now tap here. The apps are successfully hidden from phone. Let's check it out. Here you can see, those apps are no more showing in my phone. If you want to use this apps, just go to calculator apps and use. It's very simple and easy. If you want to hide your secret photos, just click on this photo icon. Now tap this plus icon to add photos. If you want to hide your secret videos, just click on this video icon. Do the same things as photos. Thank you for joining us on this app-filled adventure today. If you found our content helpful and insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support keeps us going.